if you're experiencing an installation loop with The Sims 4, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get your game up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Clear Origin cache. Close Origin and navigate to the cache folder. Delete all files in the cache folder to clear any corrupted data. Restart Origin and try installing the game again. Step 3. Repair The Sims 4. Open Origin, go to your game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This process will fix any corrupted files and may resolve the installation loop. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. After disabling them, try to install the game again. Remember to re-enable them afterward. Step 5. Reinstall Origin. If the issue persists, uninstall and then reinstall the Origin client. This can help resolve any underlying issues with the application that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to DA support for further assistance.